Hey everyone. Okay, we're going to do a quick cold start on the Allis-Chalmers here. The new 25 horse Briggs & Stratton V-Twin is installed. Single cable setup as well. Let's see if it'll start. Might help if I use the brake. Let's try nothing. See, this is why I don't like the single cable setup, because you cannot separately control the choke. So if this machine is continuing to be hard to start, that's why that cable will be going away, and I will be going back to the twin cable setup like this machine had originally. But I can smell gas, so let's try it again. Okay, this is where I do my pressure washing, and as you heard, as soon as I basically bit my tongue, the machine fired right up, and we drove it out. So anyways, like I said, if the single cable setup continues to be a problem, it will definitely be changed back to a twin cable. I still have the parts to do so. So I'll talk to them later. Please keep it redneck like always, and please subscribe, comment, and hopefully you enjoyed that Cranker Wanker video. Bye for now.